Lately, I have been seeing Rotoris pop up quite a bit, and I don't know, something about it made me curious. So I thought, why not just go there and see what they got? I have seen the watches online, but you know how it is watches always feel different in person. So instead of judging it through a screen, I decided to actually experience it myself. I'm here, let's see what they are about. Okay, first impressions, these look way more refined in person. What I'm noticing first is the finishing. The cases feel clean, proportions actually make sense, and nothing feels overdone. And design wise, they're not playing it too safe. There's a bit of personality here, but still wearable. A lot of brands in this space either go to generic or try too hard to stand out. This feels like somewhere in between, which is actually harder to pull off. On the wrist, yeah, this is where it clicks. The sizing, the feel, it just sits right. And overall, it feels like they have put real thought into how these watches are made and not just how they look. I'm not saying this is perfect, but it's definitely not just another random watch brand. It actually feels like they are trying to build their own identity in the space, and that's something you don't see often. So, yeah, I came in just curious, but after seeing this, I get what they are trying to do. Also, looks like everything already sold out, so if you're interested, you might want to join the waitlist for the next round.